And look, you want to make a fortune in real estate? Let me tell you a quick story on how I made at least a couple $1 million. See this building behind me? This building made a couple $1 million. How did I do it? Well, I'd already been buying up the neighborhood, number one. And I bought actually probably 15, 20 houses in this neighborhood. Well, a couple of neighbors decided they didn't like me buying rental properties. And so they were kind of sticking their nose in my business. And they ended up walking the neighborhood and trying to say, hey, don't let Tom do this, don't let Tom do that. And a lot of it was just BS. So what am I doing? I walked the neighborhood. And I introduced myself. And I said, don't believe one, believe me. And we walked there. And I countered every one of their attacks. And in the end, one of the places I had to walk up to was this very building. And what did I ask him besides, hey, will you support me? They're trying to stop me from rezoning something. And he said, well, yeah, I'm with you. You got my vote, Tom. And I said, hey, by the way, you want to sell this place? He said, as a matter of fact, I do. And guess what? I bought this place, bought the place next door. I bought the place next door to that. I bought the place across the street, and I bought several up and down the street, all from businessmen. Listen, if you don't ask, you can't get it. If you don't buy a ticket, you can't win the lottery. Look, I can't tell you enough. There's so much fake garbage out there. I don't want you to get swept away by a fake guru. All you need is a real mentor, somebody that actually has done it. If somebody can't show you hundreds of deals with addresses and profits and remember what they're doing, I buy the kinds of properties that you drive by every day on your way to work and back. Stores, industrial buildings, houses, I buy all that stuff. And you can too. The stuff I buy is still affordable to most of you that are watching right now. I have multi-million-dollar properties as well. But the bulk of my wealth came from the stuff that you drive by every day, that we all drive by every day. Pound that like button for me and pound that subscribe button. And I will deliver you gems, just free on this channel alone. But if you really want to get somewhere, get the book. Wake up and smell the real estate. You'll be glad you did.